Are you looking for a simple way to convert OLM files to PST format? In this video, I will show you how to use the OLM to PST Converter by Vmail Software step by step. This tool helps you convert Mac Outlook OLM files into PST format for Windows Outlook, including emails, contacts, calendars, and attachments. First, download and install the OLM to PST Converter software on your system. After installation, launch the software by double-clicking the icon. This is the main interface of the software. Click on the Browse or Add File option to select your OLM file. Choose the OLM file from your system and click Open. Then click on the Next button to proceed. The software will now start scanning your OLM file. Within a few seconds, it will load all mailbox data and display the folder structure. You can preview all emails, contacts, and other data before conversion. This ensures that your data is properly loaded. Now, select the Convert option. Choose PST format as the output format. Next, select the destination location where you want to save the converted PST file. After setting all options, click on the Convert Now button. The conversion process will begin immediately. The software will export all OLM data into PST format while maintaining folder structure and data integrity. Once the process is completed, you can open the PST file in Microsoft Outlook on Windows and access all your emails. As you can see, this tool makes OLM to PST conversion quick, easy, and secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.